Got the liver, the heart, and the neck meat of the chicken. Habichuela beans, pink beans, and some nice bay leaf. Mashallah, tabarakallah. Beautifully roasted chicken with cayenne. We got oregano, black pepper. Subhanallah, looking good. Mashallah, tabarakallah, everything's on point. The beans have a nice hearty flavor because of the organ meat we boiled with it. And the maduros are nice and sweet. The lemon rice is excellent. The chicken is tender with the spiciness of the cayenne in there. It's a nice touch. I have a bit of a cold, so hopefully this gives my immune system a boost. Mashallah.